Because we get so many questions about tax checks, we created this step-by-step video, which will show you the actual process. Tax checks begin on the 2nd of October 2023 for drivers in Scotland and Northern Ireland. In the next few slides we'll walk through a typical tax check you must complete, to tell HMRC about your income. There are 3 steps to complete. Step 1 is all about the license you are applying for. Click the circle indicated, then click the Continue button. How many years ago did you first get your license? Click the appropriate circle, then click the Continue button. Next, how long was your most recent license valid for? Click the appropriate circle, then click the Continue button. Step 2, what was your tax status between the 6th of April 2020 and the 5th of April 2021? Click the appropriate circle, then click the Continue button. Did you include income you earned using this license between the 6th of April 2020 and the 5th of April 2021? Click the appropriate circle, then click Confirm. Step 3, check your answers. You'll have a chance to change them before you complete your declaration. Once you're happy with your answers, click the Confirm button. All done. Print, copy, or take a screenshot of your tax check code. Your code is only valid for 120 days. Add this code to your license renewal application form. Available support. You have to complete your own tax check. Tax agents, advisors or accountants can't do it for you. It can only be completed through your Gateway account. HMRC will provide phone support for those who need it. How to prepare for the changes. Make sure you have your Gateway ID and password. You must be registered for HMRC's online services. You need a business tax account. And make sure your HMRC records are up to date. The Driver's Tax App. Providing free help to prepare for tax checks, registering for online services, and getting your accounts up to date. And of course, we're HMRC registered. Go to thedriverstaxapp.com. It's a web app that was developed specifically for self-employed drivers. Get started now with our 30-day free trial. Most importantly, don't panic. We're here to help.